Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is a daily upload and how I was able to achieve almost 3% growth today. And how consistently I've been able to grow my account for the past week for about 15% non-stop. So before we get into it, I really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. And for all of those looking to start investing in the stock market and starting to trade stocks, if you guys want, I put a referral link in the description below if you guys would like to check it out. You get a free stock like here. I'm gonna open a free stock live with you guys. So someone signed up using my link and now I receive a free stock. Bam, 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 Chesapeake Energy. It's not much, but it's always something, $3. But the stock can be worth up to, like, I think it's Berkshire Hathaway they're even giving away. I'll show you guys really quickly before we get into the video. So it says that they're giving away Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Microsoft, GE, Ford, Snap, and many other stocks. So if you guys are looking to start investing, this would be a great way to start and get some free cash right away. So getting into the video, all right, so we got Chesapeake Energy. That's pretty good. So getting into the video, we can see that today I'm holding basically no stocks that I trade by myself except for these free stocks. I sold my Groupon share and took around $3.50 profit on that one. And right now, the only stock I traded, I did trade two stocks today. My bad. I'm sorry. So I traded TQQQ. I was holding the stock and I had a pretty nice I think it was 8.5% profit on this stock. I bought it right around here. Let's see. I think my average cost was $55.80 and I sold it for $60.60. So I made almost like I think it was a little more than $4 per share. I own 2 shares. So that was a really big contribution to my growth overall. If you guys look at my overall portfolio this week, it's been up. Oh, this is because of options for those who are all wondering. This week, growth of around $25. So $8 of that was responsible from TQQQ, which is absolutely amazing. And for those who stayed at the end, I'm going to be sharing a little bit more insight than usual about my strategy so you guys can hear it out and see how you guys can replicate. Not really replicate, but find your own trading style that will help you profit more consistently. All right, guys, so the other stock that I did trade today, I sold it. I sold the stock today. I bought it, hold it for 2 days, and bam, that was 10% profit really nicely like that. Today it was up around 6.6%. I bought the stock at $9.37. I think it was right around here. I think it went a dip down. Or maybe it was even here. I bought somewhere around here for $9.37 and sold it for $10. And how much was it? $10.26. So as you can see, guys, the power of the stock market is incredible. If you guys catch the swings of trades, you don't even have to stare at your phone 24/7 like day traders do. A simple swing trade can make you some really nice profits, like 10% within 2 days. That's almost unachievable with the regular stock market if you're doing long-term investing. All right, guys, for those who stay till the end, I'm going to be sharing a little more insight into how my strategy has been developing over time and how you guys can see if this sounds good to you, if you guys want to try it out. But I noticed that there's 2 ways that I usually profit. Either I'm very patient and I wait for the perfect time to buy a stock. For example, TQQQ, I was patient. I waited for the dip. I bought in at the dip, and I waited for the confirmation of the reversal. So once it started trending up, I bought it once it confirmed the reversal, and then I sold it right now when it had a sign of going back down, and that was some nice profits on the stock. But also, there's another way that it's a little more aggressive that I like to trade. This is how I traded basically drip. Let's see, where's drip? DRIP. Drip. Right here. Wait, no. Right here. All right, so drip. How I traded drip is I saw that it was at a low. Usually where it bounces down from. Bounces up from. So I bought in a few shares. I didn't buy that many. I bought like 4 shares. 4 shares I bought at the support before it could bounce. It was right at the support. It had a little minor bounce. I bought in because I just had like a good feeling that it will continue its old pattern where it just bounces back up from the spot. It did bounce back. Sometimes this does not work, but sometimes I'm willing to take the risk of it. All I risked was $37 when I was buying it right here, and it was definitely worth it. I made around $4 on this trade, so it was pretty good. And so these are the two kind of strategies that I'm debating on which one's best, or I could just use both of them like I am right now. As you can see, they're both profitable, but sometimes the more aggressive one, like I did trade drip right here, if I bought it right here and it just fell below the support, then I would have been down and I would have had to cut my losses. But that's just the risk I'm willing to take sometimes. So I would cut my losses if it were to fall below the support. And yeah, with TQQQ, it's a little more safer. How I did it was I just waited for a confirmation, so I knew it was going up from here, which is a little tiny smaller profit margin than if I bought it like at the low. Like if I bought it maybe, all right, low $53.80, I bought at $2 higher, but it's still a pretty nice profit margin. And if you guys are satisfied with my results, I really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below. It motivates me so much if you guys like. Also put something in the comment section. I really appreciate a lot for all those who support me. And I just wanted to thank you guys all for that. So that's just going to be it for today's video. On the week so far, we're up around 16%. So it's doing pretty well. And that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.